Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili bean paste. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh chilies and quality broad beans. Then, I'll guide you through the initial preparation steps, ensuring everything is ready for the fermentation stage. This foundational work is crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors that define a truly great chili bean paste. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. For our paste, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh red chilies and 1 pound of dried broad beans. Begin by soaking the broad beans for at least 12 hours, then carefully peel them. Next, finely chop your chilies, removing some seeds if you prefer less heat. We'll also prepare aromatics like garlic and ginger, ensuring they are minced to release their full flavor into the paste. Precision in preparation sets the stage for success. Now, combine your chopped chilies, peeled broad beans, and aromatics with a precise amount of salt and a blend of spices. Mix everything thoroughly in a clean, sterilized jar. Seal it tightly and allow it to ferment for at least 30 days in a cool, dark place. This fermentation is key to developing its unique umami. After fermentation, blend the mixture to your preferred consistency, from chunky to smooth. Once your chili bean paste is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 6 months, maintaining its vibrant flavor. This versatile paste is fantastic in stir-fries, adds depth to noodle dishes, and makes an excellent marinade for meats. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chili bean paste in countless culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.